Hi guys, me again. Hear me, Asana. A time for weed out some people out on our life. It's time to get rid of some people out of our lives. I'm dead serious. Someone have some people with their own with them that a wait for attack. You're so good to them, but your goodness means nothing. Them just don't want to see you prosper. Why is it so hard for some people to understand and realize that and everybody got happy phone, eh? Yeah, friends and family, the closest to you. And everybody got happy phone. Some people love it when some people are struggling, Yeah, man, it's like an oxymoron. It's when time you are struggle, them are right. But it's when you are right, it's like them are struggle. And them are struggle because you are right. You don't need them people in your life. You don't need them people in your life, You'll forever be like a ship anchored or docked. Because guess what? Them people, they are hold on. Them are crosses. And you're not supposed to have time for them. Because the time when you have for them, you take a time from your prosperity. You understand me? Stop worrying about who are going to say you hype all of a sudden because when you reach a foreign, you start hype. When you get the big job, you start hype. When you get new money, you start hype. Guess what now? The new name for progress is hype then, as far as me concerned. Because that's how bad mind people describe prosperity. Hype. If so be the case, sweetheart, stay hyped. You understand me? Because them people don't want to see good for you. And how can you entrust somebody who doesn't want to see good for you? Or if you entrust them people around you? Sometimes we're so deep in our thoughts and we believe that, them have our best interest at heart. Even when our intuition is telling us, boy, run with a girl then. Run with a boy then. You understand me? Just listen to that little inner voice. If you don't want to listen to a person around you, listen to that speechless voice that's telling you that something is not right. You understand me? And if the feeling can't tell you exactly what is not right, the fact that something is not right, take away yourself. Because when people are wait for literally kill you. You understand me? They will do it. Because when them can't be like you, when them can't have what you have, when them can't go places where you go, it becomes a problem. And no matter how much you give them out of what you have, they don't want out of what you have, them want what you have. Be mindful. I've seen too many people lost their lives. I've heard too many stories of people who've lost their lives. And guess what? These are not random killings. These are things that were planned or premeditated. A few days ago, me and my mommy were talking and, it was about the incident with a young lady that, and I think in St. Anne, wherever, I don't know, they killed her. And she said to me, see, so people don't just get up and kill people at random, so, they always have a motive. And even if it's justified to them, there is a motive. Nobody, no stranger not get up and come kill you, so. Believe it or not. No stranger not get up and come kill you, so. Or else the whole would have dead. You understand me? People evil, but them evil with a cause. So when you see some kind of killing that go on, and the way it happen, no signs of broken entry or, nothing now show up on security camera or dog now back, whatever there shows up, or nothing. Then you know that, these are things that are premeditated and are people where are people who know people are killing them, You understand me? So when you look at gut feeling, I tell you something right, man, just follow the gut feeling, man. Just follow it. Because Bob Marley tell us the enemy don't know your secret. You understand me? So you can't reveal it. Your friends, who you have around you, scope out them people there. Scope out them people and get rid of them. Take a little time and move from them. Because them find out say, y'all move too fast and we kill you quicker. Take your time and get rid of them because they're only there to watch you meet your demise. And that's not what you're about. You're about progress, having a better life. You understand me? Because the people who face the most struggling are people like we get murdered, Yeah, man, when we struggle and we start, come out of the struggle, it becomes a problem here because we hype. Be careful of them friend they want to have run. I tell you now. Listen to that little voice. Protect yourself, protect your life, protect your family. Because sometimes they can't catch quack and catch quack shut. And me don't know that. You understand me? Protect your lives. Be careful. Open your eyes and realize that not everybody that comes around and says that they're a friend are friends. Not everybody that comes around and says they're genuine are actually genuine. You understand me? And although some of them will clap when you win, the clap not genuine. Understand that and protect yourselves. You understand me? Be careful.